yes, you can make your own beetroot from your kitchen at home. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I make mine. Very simple. And listen, your health is your wealth. You need to start living a healthy life, just like I am doing right now. So here is my beetroot. I've got beetroot, I have ginger and orange. These are my best 3 ingredients. So if you're kind of person that like to experience that taste, add the dots to it, so for taste. Okay, so you guys know how healthy dots is. Here is dots, so I'll be adding like 2 of them on this my fruit. First, I will add everything. I've washed my hand, as you can see. I'll add my toe. I'll just add everything together, and again add water. Cover. So right now I'm going to be blending. All right, I think it's okay now. Yeah, so now here we go. Very thick, and this is good. Very good.